let's get the recipe. Paragraph about where the person grew up. Paragraph about Italy. Paragraph about personal stuff. Paragraph. Where's the recipe? Have you ever gone online to look at a recipe? You're trying to cook something and the person writes 10 paragraphs that have nothing to do with what you're looking for? That is what we do to our customers sometimes. Some of you, when you're talking to the customer, you want to tell them your life story 5 minutes after you have met them. Your life story can come. You should sit on that a little bit though. Wait until the buyer wants to hear it. How do you know when the buyer wants to hear your life story? Because they will ask you. You want to get your customer the information quick and easy. Make it about the information. Make it about how fast and enjoyable the buying experience is with you. When you say things like this, welcome to the dealership, thanks for coming in, I'm glad that you're here. Oh, you came to get pricing information? I could do that for you. I will give you the best price in writing. We could get your vehicle appraised. I will get you payments. We could go on a test drive. Anything you want today, I'm going to do for you. And you're making it all about the information. And you're building rapport around how easy it is to buy. Then the customer is going to start asking you things. Hey, you're pretty neat. How long have you worked here? That is when you know that you are in rapport. So if you feel the need to tell every single customer your life story, you may be having them go through what you go through when you're trying to find a simple cooking recipe. Make it easy. Make it about the information. And when you do this, you will be surprised how many people are going to want to hear about you, and they're going to say, where are you from? How long have you worked here? You're a pretty neat person. Drop us a comment, press like, hit subscribe for content daily. If there is a video you have been scouring the internet looking for in regards to training, let us know. We'll make sure we get it shot.